How to send Bitcoin on Ace Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin, and today I'll guide you on how you can send Bitcoin on Ace Wallet. While the process itself is particularly easy and simple, so let me guide you through quick and easy. First things first, you want to open up your Ace Wallet. You can get the wallet on your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, Android or iOS respectively. Once you open it up and you're logged into your account, you can head over to the buy section at the bottom of your screen and then go ahead and select the reason. Once you select the reason, you can select the particular payment method and add in your payment method and make the purchase. Now once you have owned it, what you can do is from the particular page, you can directly tap on send and go ahead and send it. However, if you own it and then you want to send it, you can simply tap on the option that says send at the top of your screen at the home page, and you can see it says to bank or cash, to age, from bank or cash to another wallet or exchange. So you can select to another wallet, then you can select Bitcoin as well, and you can see it gives you scam warning as well. Ace will not give financial advice. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible and do not send money to people or organization you do not know. Simply tap on I agree and tap on confirm and finish, and you can see it says currently to me that your BTC wallet is empty. So as I told you before, you can go ahead and buy it, and once you buy it, you should get this page like this here. From here, you can see you can send to address. You can get the particular wallet address, or you can get the QR code of that particular address, and then you can either scan it or you can tap on enter and enter in your address but manually and tap on next and go ahead through the process. So this is how you can easily send Bitcoin on Ace Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.